At IDme, we're solving the biggest problem on the internet: trust. These days, it's grown almost impossible to tell what's real from what's fake online. There's fake news on Facebook. There's fake followers on Twitter. There's fake videos on YouTube. There's fake products on Amazon. There's fake businesses on Google. That email you just got from Microsoft asking you to reset your password, is it really from Microsoft? And that handyman that you just found on the online marketplace, are they really who they say they are? Of course, the fake that hurts the most is the one that's most personalized, and that is when your own identity gets compromised and stolen by getting a hold of your personally identifiable information and then applying for bank accounts or filing taxes or unemployment claims, which ruins your credit rating, your reputation, and costs you hundreds of hours trying to clean it up. There's over $16 billion every year in the United States of fraud. So it shouldn't be a surprise that there's over 3,000 different vendors in the identity technology space that are trying to reduce identity theft and fraud. At IDme, we're taking a fundamentally different approach. We're trying to create a universal login that you can use at hundreds of different trusted sites. Before we give someone an IDme account, we need to make sure that they're in fact really who they say they are. And so we ask people for a few pieces of personally identifiable information, and we'll match that up against information that's in authoritative sources. We also ask people to give a few pieces of evidence to demonstrate they are in fact who they say they are. And then we put that all into our artificial intelligence algorithm and look for evidence of fraud. Once someone gets an IDme account, it's much more than just a login and a password. It's an actual true legal identity. Registration at IDme is free and it only takes a few minutes. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website, www.id.me.